Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is not only to motivate you but help you to move on to the brighter side of the health. Today I'm going to share with you the most requested part of this channel, and that is, please show us how to do facial massages in Bell's palsy. So this video I'm going to demonstrate you how to do facial massage by yourself if you are suffering from Bell's palsy. Interested to know more? Then make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Friends, if you who are someone who is suffering from early stage of Bell's palsy, facial massage is one of the most critical aspects that you should focus on. Unlike exercises, facial massages are safe and are far more valuable and important in the initial phase of Bell's palsy. The reason being three benefits. Benefit number one, when you do your facial massage, you basically work on the alignment of the facial muscles, because since the muscles are flaccid, they are constantly being pulled by the gravity. Facial massage helps them to realign back to its original position. Even though it doesn't stay there for a long time, but that each stroke of lift that you give to your facial muscles adds up and gives a long-term benefit to your facial muscles. The second benefit of doing facial massage is the fact that it improves the blood circulation and lymphatic drainage of your facial area. Now, the direct impact the facial paralysis has on your face is that it impacts the blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, which gives a lot of issues like puffiness on the face, swelling, pain, and in long-term spasms too. But if you are in a position to realign these all things with the help of facial massage, what's better than that? And the third benefit of doing facial massage is the fact that it reactivates, or you can say it stimulates, your trigeminal nerve, which is the sensory nerve of the face. Now, the good part is, in your facial paralysis, your trigeminal nerve, which is your sensory nerve, is not at all affected. It's absolutely normal. And the trigeminal nerve is the nerve which is responsible for the sensation of the face. So whenever you activate, or you can say you stimulate your trigeminal nerve, you are sending lot of sensory information to your brain, which gives an understanding of the right position of the facial muscles to the brain, enabling the brain to design the right pathways which are required as you get better. So more than exercise, like everybody would have told you, more important is your facial massages. So let me show you step by step how you can do facial massage by yourself. It's extremely simple, very effective, and very important. So let's have a look. So step number one to do facial massage is to make sure that you apply moisturizer or any kind of light oil throughout the face. Make sure that when you do your facial massage, do it on both the sides. The direction can vary, but sides should always be true. Now, once, let's say you have applied your moisturizer the way I have applied it right now already, you have to make sure that you start with breathing practice first. If you are tensed, if you are in hurry, then massages will not work. It's very important that you should do your facial massages in meditative state. That's why sit back, relax in a calm and comfortable room. Be very comfortable, stay away from noisy areas, and then apply moisturizer on the face and start with breathing practice. Close your eyes, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and relax. Let's say if you are not able to close your eyes, then you can use your hand to close the eyes and then do your facial massage. Once that is done, then you need to make sure that you rub your hands well and warm up your hands. Remember, if your hands are cold and if you directly touch the face, it can stimulate your trigeminal nerve and can make your nerve more hyperexcited. So it's always important that you warm up your hands before you do your massage. Once you have done that, lean backwards on your chair or sofa, wherever you are sitting. Place your hand on the forehead. Imagine if this is the affected side. You are going to stroke and give an upward direction stroke like this in a very calm and gentle manner for 5 repetitions. Remember, this has to be in the upward direction. Now, let's say if on the face you have asymmetry and this is drooped down and this is up, then you can do a gentle downward stroking on the non-affected side to bring back that symmetry on the face. Again, it should not be painful, it should not be forceful, it should be a firm pressure. Once that is done, you're going to come to your eyebrows, you're going to pinch your eyebrows and glide your hands from inside to outside. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Once you've done this, you're going to lift your eyebrows up like this on the affected side, and with the 2 fingers you're going to stroke your fingers from inside to outside at the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Then you're going to place your finger here and stroke it from inside to outside like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Now the same strokes you will do on the other side as well. Here you don't need to pull, you can just gently stroke it for 5 repetitions around your eyelids. Relax. Now for the cheek, you're going to work on both sides of the cheek together, where you're going to walk down your fingers like this and then stroke it outwards. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then you will progress towards your nostril. Place 2 fingers like this and do circular massage clockwise and then anti-clockwise. And relax. Then you will place your 2 fingers on the side of the nostril here. You are going to do this clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Relax. Then again you are going to move outwards like this. 2. Now here why we are doing both the sides is because you can compare how the muscles feel on the affected side versus the non-affected side. Then you are going to come at your lip level and like this you are going to pinch your lips. Now once that is done, you are going to come at your chin level and then you are going to move at figure of 8. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then you are going to hold this and give a lift in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and relax. Once this is done, you are going to make circular motion on your cheeks around the TM area. Now this is to relax the chewing muscles, which usually gets overworked because of the weakness of the paralyzed side. So relax and do the circular motion. Then you are going to move on the neck and slowly stretch your hands like this. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Once that is done, you're going to work on the neck region. 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then you're going to move these muscles up on the affected side like this. 2, 3, 4 and 5, and relax. This way you have to do 5 strokes on each side of the face. Please remember, this particular version of massage that I am showing you here in this particular video is for generic purpose. There are many massage techniques that we use depending on which muscle is weak more and which muscle is tight, which is totally decided on the basis of the personalized evaluation that we do. Hence, yes, this is a safe practice, but this is not only the practice, and please don't consider this as the replacement of the entire rehab process for Bell's palsy. I hope that this video gave you an understanding and you would be able to apply this practice. Please remember these red flags while doing these massages. Number 1, none of the massage should cause you pain. If you are having pain, please stop it immediately. Number 2, make sure that your hands are warm, they are not very cold while you do this massage. Number 3, if you require or if you feel that your face or your hands is not nicely stroking, please apply some moisturizer or else apply some warm compress before doing this massage. And last but not the least, if you feel that you are having any kind of discomfort, please stop immediately and report it to your therapist or else your doctor. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have got any further questions, comments or inquiries related to this problem, please feel free to put it in the comment box. And one more announcement that I have for you, and that is we have now started a Facebook support community. I would be putting the link of this community in the description of this video, so you can join that community as well. Now, what you will get in this community? Number 1, we will be organizing multiple Q&A rounds throughout the week. So you can ask your questions and talk to our team directly. Number 2, we will be putting a lot of resources absolutely free of cost in this particular community, which will be helpful for you to do your day-to-day practice for your Bell's palsy and facial paralysis. And number 3, you will get an opportunity to attend live webinars and live Q&A sessions that we would be conducting in the community, especially for our community members. So what are you waiting for? If you are someone who is suffering from Bell's palsy or synkinesis, please don't wait, join this Facebook group immediately, because it's absolutely free of cost for you and you will get tons and tons of value there. So see you in the community. Bye-bye.